Yeah, okay. Let me show you what I saw. I saw this big range, and this channel got a break and a new low. This channel also got a break and a new low, and there was a range here. So I saw this signal bar for the second entry long. It was not perfect, and then the next one was just an amazing bullish one. I just sneaked in with a tiny little risk, like 2 points, something like this. Now I move to break even. And let's see, I will not move it. I will try to target the area of 80. I don't know if it will get there because this might be another range here. So I just move to break even and let's see if it can work. So it was a second entry long on the 5 minutes. Yeah, I mean, everything just line up like the stars, you know. Channel break, new low, another channel with a break and a new low. It was a bit congestive, but I saw this as a range. And I said, okay, if this is a range, I didn't want to enter on this signal bar. It was just a shitty one, but the next one was just, wow. I don't know how to, yeah. So I entered like with a limit there. I don't know if it will hold. I'm just now moving to break even. Let's see if this thing can work. I will try to target the area of 80 if the market is strong. And if this is a range, I will just get out break even here. So overall, I mean, you can't ignore such a thing. I mean, and this is not going against the trend. Remember, guys, this is a range. This is a range, clear range. And in a range, you want to just see leg, break, leg. And here you got it 2 times, leg, break, leg, and leg, break, leg into a second entry long. So everything looks like long here. I don't know if it will hold. The only downside to this thing is that this might be a range also. Yeah, you took it this. It was a good trade. Now, I will target the area of 80. The top of the range is about 83. I don't know if it will get there, but it's a range fade. And yeah, okay, I just moved to break even. Let's see if it can hold. Yeah, it was a nice trade. The signal bar was not good, but the following one was just a super engulfing one. I entered here with a risk of 2 points. And let's see if this thing can hold. So you know what you do when you are in a trade and you don't know what's going to happen. You go for dinner, right? So I'm going to leave it live like this so you guys can enjoy it, and I'm going to mute it. I'm going to go for dinner with the family. It's Friday evening here. My target is at 80. Let's see if there can be some failure here. Could be a failure above this thing. I wonder how the market will react to this. Yeah, failure now. Failure now. The only downside to this is this can be a range also. But on the big picture, I do see this range. Okay? So with this being a leg, break, leg, and this one, leg, break, leg, I don't see any reason for them not to test at least this area. So let's see if we can get some nice winner here. I just moved to break even, and yeah, I will give it some room. I will not move here because this will be like booking 4 points and it will be below the failure, but I just want to give it a bit more room. You guys with me on this? You understood the reasoning for this trade? It doesn't get any better than this. I mean, this leg with a break and a new low, this leg with a break and a new low, and you're fading this tiny dirty area. So yeah, let's see if this thing can give us some 20 points today. We don't know. Maybe it's like this. Isn't it just... No, it's not. No, Chris. Look at this. I want you to look at the big picture. You don't buy the bottom. You're fading a range. This is a range. It's not a downtrend. It's a range. Whenever you fade a range, it feels like you are buying the bottom, but range is a whole different story than a downtrend. It's a completely different animal. When you go fading the range, it feels like you are always going against the trend. But you just have to get used to that. That's not picking the bottom. Look, This got a break and a new low, this got a break and a new low, range, and you're fading even the tiny range, not even mentioning that you're fading this entire thing. So the down channel was finished. I mean, get out of these ideas that you're buying the bottom. When you fade the range, it feels like, especially when you're not experienced, it feels like you are going against the trend. But this is no longer a downtrend. Everything got broken. This one got a break and a low. This got break and a low. You're fading the range. Everything lines up like you are not going against the trend. Whenever you fade a range, it feels like you are going against the trend. But the range is not a trend. It's a different beast. Chris, you with me on this? I will move now here. It's a different beast. Don't consider range fading like going against the trend. I'm very much against going against the trend. But this is not a trend. This is just a classic range fading, just a classic one. Just a classic range fading. And everything, I mean, the market was just screaming to, hey, I had this channel break low, this channel break low, what else you want? Fade me. So let's see. Maybe even there is some bigger channel here. Yeah, I do see this thing. I know. I just want to see. I mean, this thing can be a range also. Okay? So I will trail it here just to book some nice profit. I will trail it here. Okay, let's see. And you have to be cool. Don't allow them to shake you out. I will trail it here because here I'm like booking 9 or 9 points, 10 points. But if you don't want to like trail it one by one, your target should be the top of the range. The thing is that I'm a bit concerned with this. Yeah, this, you must train yourself to take big winners. So I lost 2 points and now I will take 9 points. That's how you make money. And you must be able to ride your winners, otherwise you are just... And that's the reason I tell you all the day, guys, I don't care getting stopped out. It's nothing for me. It's just peanuts money. So my initial target was here, just like before the top of the range. The thing is that if this is a range, I somehow have to pay attention to this. So I'll be booking like 9 points. See, you will lose 2, make 10, lose 2, make 9, lose 2, make 10. That's it, guys. That's how it works. So it will be 10 points. That's it.
So if you are looking to learn the basic of price action trading without any indicators and overcome your fear of trading, I have a free webinar that's perfect for you. This webinar is designed for traders at all levels. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader looking to improve your skills, in this webinar you will learn many things. I will be covering the basic of price action trading, how to read price chart without any indicators, how to identify key levels and price patterns. I will cover strategies for managing risk and building trading plan. And most importantly, I will explain to you why are you afraid and how to overcome your fear of trading and make confident, informed trading decisions. I've designed this webinar to be interactive and engaging, so you will have plenty of opportunities to ask questions and get feedback on my trading ideas. By the end of this webinar, you'll have a solid foundation in price action trading and be ready to start applying these concepts to the market. So if you're interested in learning the foundation of price action trading and how to overcome your fear of trading, just click on the link in the description below and register for the next available session.